Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? It's Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a review and a boxing for a certain band for a watch. But before that, as you're all aware about what's going on with the coronavirus and all over the countries of the world, and now it's may have been spreading here. Not just Miami, but starting in New Jersey, of course, or DC is what I heard so far on the news. And now it's getting worse, and now they're postponing events, including the Ultra Music Festivals, the Ultra Music Festival to be exact, and also other things. And now I don't even normally plan on going anywhere, but unless they find an antidote. So for all of you, please pray to find that antidote so that we can at least have our vacation time in peace. And stores all over the city and country are getting like out of stock sanitizers and stuff, hand sanitizers and wipes. Always be prepared to get those as soon as you have to. So yeah, but anyway, let's get down to this review, and it's for a sports band for the Apple Watch Series 5. I got this at the Apple Store about a month or two ago, and I haven't been bothered putting it on yet since it was pretty cold. And a little advice to you all: this Sunday, make sure you set your clock backwards, I believe, or forward, because we're gonna be getting daylight savings. So yeah, be prepared, y'all. Be prepared. So this band for the Apple Watch Series 5 is for the Alaskan Blue Sports Band. So yeah, comes with everything in it, or not everything in it, just this pamphlet. We already know how to remove the band, but here are instructions. You have a medium large, and then you have a small medium. It's the same thing how you get with when you get an Apple Watch, of course. The small medium, but I'm going for the large medium. So let me know if you liked my previous video of the music video that I did for Havana, How Much You Want Me. And unfortunately, I did not even, I thought I put the links in the description box, but looks like I didn't. And for those who are fans of horror movies and of course, okay, Indiegogo is still announcing for that next Friday the 13th this month. It's gonna be closing the Never Hike in the Snow campaign. So better snag yourself a copy of that and other perks. You better get it while you can, before they go out of stock and you have to go on eBay paying big bucks. So you better get that, like your 3rd edition for Never Hike in the Snow, and as well as that's gonna be a deadline, but you can still get the Heart of something, the making of Jason Goes to Hell: The Final Friday, that was done by the great Adam Marcus. You better get that. It's not gonna go anywhere, so you better get that as soon as you can. And also, what else? You better start getting that before they go closing out, before they go bye-bye, and they go out like hotcakes. So thank God I got myself that, and notify my other homies to get their hands on that before they go bye-bye, or very hard to find to go closing. So you have until Friday 13, which is next Friday, and so on. So I'm gonna provide you the links, including, of course, the links for the Box Music channel promos that we got over the years, including on the last day of the box before the Box Music channel got disconnected. So I'll provide you the links in the description box down below, and also subscribe to my. I'll get back to that in a moment. So let's get down to this. So here is how you put your sports band or whatever band you're putting on your Apple Watch. If you do, you can mix them, it's not bad. It's good. It's cool. You can mix whatever band you like. And boom, look at how it is. You see? Alaskan blue, yo. Alaskan blue. So subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Leave a comment in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel to be notified of anything that's going on, or music reviews, toys unboxing, movie reviews perhaps. And also watch out, everyone, watch your backs with the coronavirus, because it's getting a little rudeness. And also just watch your six and watch your backs out there, y'all. So this is what it looks like on the Sparky wrist, y'all. Oh yeah. So this is how it is. So shout out to that thing of ours, TCF and Paul Minkin, I believe, and G-Shock High Fashion, the Timeless Watch Channel, and the Watch Enthusiast, G-Shock Go, Mike835, Wiggly Licks, aka Master 4999, and G-Dub, G-Shock Warrior 31s, and Crispy, CRIS, little space, PY, Crispy, and such. So shout outs to all of you out there. And another more bummer news is that they postponed the release date for the last James Bond movie of this year. I mean, the last James Bond movie, No Time to Die. Because I got a little word on social media early this afternoon before dinner. Well, sometime this afternoon before dinner. And finding out that they postponed the date to November 25th. So, but another coincidental that it's going to be happening the same time King Kong versus Godzilla. Or is it Godzilla versus King Kong? And somebody on Instagram posted Godzilla versus King Kong versus Bond. Oh, jeez. What the heck? Now we gotta wait like at least 8 months? Are you kidding me? Or at least 10 months. And man, next month was supposed to be the release date, and now I'm hearing that they're going to postpone it because of the outbreak of this virus. Man, screw the coronavirus, man. Screw it. So anyway, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Rock on with the Apple Watch.
It's 11:33. Good night, pal.
Good night to you all, and I'll be on the next video in a day or two, or maybe a week. So this is Sparky. I'm signing out, y'all. Peace.